Welcome to the Englishstorywell channel, your ultimate destination for captivating stories that enhance your English learning journey. Here, we believe that stories are not just a form of entertainment, but a powerful tool to improve your language skills. Let's go to started.
It was early morning. The sun was just rising. The birds were singing outside. Maria, a young mother, slowly opened her eyes. She looked at the small bed next to her. Her son Liam was still sleeping. Maria smiled. Liam was only 5 years old. He was her world. Maria stretched her arms and got out of bed. She walked into the small kitchen of her one-bedroom apartment. She put a kettle on the stove to boil water. Then she opened the fridge. There was not much, just a little milk, some bread, and a few eggs. Maria whispered to herself, "We'll be okay." She made breakfast quickly. Toast, eggs, and warm milk for Liam. Then she packed a small lunch for him, just a sandwich and an apple. At 7 a.m., Maria woke Liam up gently. "Good morning, sweetheart," she said softly. Liam rubbed his eyes and smiled. "Good morning, Mama." She helped him get dressed. His school uniform was a little tight, but it was still clean. Maria made sure his shoes were tied. They sat at the small table together and ate breakfast. Liam told her about his dream. He dreamed he could fly like a bird. Maria laughed. "Maybe one day you will, my little superhero." After breakfast, they left for school. Maria held Liam's hand tightly as they walked. She kissed him goodbye at the school gate. "Be good, okay?" she said. "I will, Mama." Then Maria turned and walked toward the bus stop. It was time for work. Maria reached the bus stop just in time. She was a little out of breath, but she smiled politely at the driver and said, "Good morning." The driver nodded and said, "Morning." Maria showed her bus pass and took a seat near the window. She looked outside as the city passed by. Cars, shops, people walking fast. Her mind was full of thoughts. Rent was due next week. Liam's shoes were getting small. But she took a deep breath. "One day at a time," she whispered to herself. After 20 minutes, the bus stopped near a tall building. Maria got off and walked into the back entrance of a hotel. She worked as a cleaner. The job was not easy, but it helped her pay the bills. Inside the staff room, her friend and coworker Anna smiled and waved. "Hey Maria, you're early today." Maria smiled. "Yes, I wanted to drop Liam off early. He has a test today." Anna gave her a thumbs up. "He's a smart boy. He'll do great." Their supervisor, Mr. Thomas, walked in with a clipboard. He looked serious. "Good morning," he said. "Maria, you're on the 10th floor today. A big group checked out this morning. Lots of rooms to clean." Maria nodded. "Okay, I'll get started." She took her cleaning cart and went to the elevator. As she worked, she kept thinking about Liam. Was he doing okay in class? Did he remember his lunch? On the 10th floor, Maria pushed her cart into room 1003. The bed was messy, towels were on the floor, and there were crumbs on the table. She put on her gloves and began cleaning. Time passed slowly. Room after room. Bed after bed. She cleaned bathrooms, took out trash, wiped mirrors, and made everything look perfect again. At noon, Anna joined her for a short break. They sat in the hallway with their lunchboxes. Anna looked tired. "I'm counting the hours till we go home." Maria smiled faintly. "Me too. But I'm thankful I have a job." Anna nodded. "You're strong, Maria. I don't know how you do it. Working full-time, raising a child alone." Maria looked down. "Some days I don't know either. But I have to. For Liam." They shared a quiet moment. Then it was time to get back to work. Maria had just finished cleaning room 1012 when Mr. Thomas, the supervisor, called her on the walkie-talkie. "Maria, can you come to the staff office for a minute?" Maria wiped her hands and replied, "Yes, I'm coming now." She felt nervous as she walked down the hallway. Did I make a mistake? She thought. Did a guest complain? Her heart beat faster. In the staff office, Mr. Thomas sat at his desk with a serious face. Anna was there too. "Please sit down," Mr. Thomas said. "Maria Saturday. Is everything okay, sir?" He looked at her kindly. Yes, don't worry. This is actually good news. One of our senior cleaners is leaving next week. We're offering you a promotion if you want it. Maria's eyes widened. A promotion? Yes, he said. You would be a team leader. You'll check rooms, help train new staff, and make schedules. It means more responsibility, but also more pay. Maria was surprised. She had not expected this. A better job. More money. That would really help. Liam needed new clothes. The rent was high. But it also meant longer hours. She asked, "How many hours would I need to work?" "Some days longer," Mr. Thomas said. "Maybe weekends too." Maria looked down. She thought of Liam. She wanted to be home when he got back from school. He needed her. But she also needed the money. Anna leaned in and whispered, "You can do it. You're smart and hardworking." Maria smiled weakly. "Thank you," Mr. Thomas said. "You don't need to decide now. Think about it. Let me know by Friday." Maria nodded. "Okay, I will." That evening, Maria picked up Liam from daycare. He ran to her and hugged her tightly. "Mom, I got a star in class today." She smiled and hugged him back. "That's amazing, sweetheart." Home, they ate dinner together. Liam talked about his teacher, his classmates, and his favorite cartoon. Maria listened, but her mind was on the job offer. After dinner, Maria sat on the couch. Liam was coloring nearby. She looked at him, so small, so full of dreams. She whispered to herself, "What should I do?" She knew the promotion could help them. But she also knew time with Liam was something money couldn't buy. The next morning, Maria woke up early. The sun was shining through the window, and Liam was still asleep. She sat at the kitchen table with a cup of tea. The promotion was still on her mind. She picked up her phone and sent a voice message to her friend, Jasmine. "Hey Jasmine, are you free to talk later? I need your advice. Something happened at work." After breakfast, Maria dropped Liam at daycare and went to the park to meet Jasmine. Jasmine was sitting on a bench with coffee in her hand. She smiled when she saw Maria. "Hey girl. What's going on?" Maria sat beside her. "Well, my manager offered me a promotion." Jasmine's eyes lit up. "That's great. Congratulations." Maria nodded slowly. "Yes, but it also means more hours. Maybe evenings. Maybe weekends." Jasmine took a sip of her coffee. "Ah, so you're worried about time with Liam?" Maria nodded. "Yes. I don't want him to come home to an empty house. But I also want to give him a better life." Jasmine leaned back and thought for a moment. "Okay," she said. "Let's make a list. What are the good things about the promotion?" Maria smiled. "You and your lists. B. More money." Jasmine added. "More experience. A step forward in your career." "Yes," Maria said. "I'll learn new things." "Now, what are the hard things?" "Less time with Liam. Maybe more stress. I'll need to be stronger." Jasmine looked at her friend. "Maria, I've seen you raise that boy with love and strength. You can handle stress. You're already strong." Maria's eyes filled with tears. "Thank you. Can you ask for a flexible schedule?" Jasmine asked. "I didn't think about that," Maria replied. "Maybe I can talk to Mr. Thomas." "Do it," Jasmine said. "Ask. If he says yes, then maybe this promotion is possible." That night, Maria sat with Liam while he played with his toy cars. "Mom," he said, "you look tired." Maria smiled. "A little. I have to make a big decision." "Like what?" he asked. Maria thought for a moment. Then she explained in simple words. "Mom's boss asked if I want a new job. Means I would be a leader at work. But I might come home later." Liam looked up. "Will I still see you before bed?" Maria kissed his forehead. "Always. I promise." The next morning, Maria went to work early. She knocked on Mr. Thomas's office door. "Come in," he said. Maria entered with a deep breath. "Sir, I thought about the offer. I'm very thankful. But I want to ask something." "Go ahead," Mr. Thomas said. Is there a way I can take the promotion with a flexible schedule? Maybe come in earlier and leave in time to be with my son in the evening. Mr. Thomas smiled. Actually, yes. We can try a new shift plan. You can help us test it. Maria's eyes lit up. Really? Yes, he said. You've earned this, Maria. She walked out of the office with a full heart. The sun felt brighter. Her steps felt lighter. She sent a message to Jasmine. I said yes. And they said yes too. Smiling face with smiling eyes.